I have a 5-star range. I had a technician out and he diagnosed that my ignition module needed replacement. I've replaced it and as far as I can tell, all of the wires are connected correctly. My burners light just fine, but now the ovens and griddle won't light. They spark and the ignition flame comes on, but the burner for the ovens never lights. Any suggestion? It's almost as though there is not enough gas coming through the burners. All of the range burners work fine.
Thanks for your question. Okay, so the burner is sparking fine, correct? Have you tried lighting that one with a match or lighter just to see if you have a gas issue?
All of the burners on the range light just fine. The only issues I'm having are with the ovens. I've tried turning on the ovens and the igniter keeps clicking. The pilot light will light but the burner will not light to heat the oven. I've also tried lighting the burner while the igniter is clicking with no success. Do you think there just isn't enough gas flowing? The weird part is that if there was a clog, you wouldn't think it would be happening to both ovens and the griddle but rather just one of them.
Okay, so the pilot light's in the oven, correct? Do you see the sensor bulb that the pilot encompasses?
I don't think there is a sensor bulb. It's just an ignition wire that gets a flame and then lights the tube. Maybe I'm not using the right terminology.
Can you send a pic of the pilot assembly here?
I sent one. Did it go through?
Did not come through here. Use the papar clip attachment.
I don't see that as an option.
You should see a link that you can attach an image to. People send me them here all the time.
I'm sorry, but I don't see a paperclip icon. I've looked everywhere.
Does the sensor that the flame hits look like this and go to the valve like this?
Not really. It's a white insulated pen-looking device that shoots a spark.
Yes, and whack, does it light a small pilot flame?
Yes. That's correct. It just has a flame that sits right below the tube for the oven.
Yes, but look closely, you should see a small sensor bulb that has to be there. Do you see it, or how many wires or tubes are going from the flame area?
Okay. I think I see what you are talking about.
Yes, you see the flame encompass a small wire bulb that has what looks like a wire to it going down the valve, correct?
Yes.
Yes, that basically what is in the pic I sent you. That is the safety valve. If it almost looks like a wire, you would need that safety valve to fix it. They go bad all the time.
Okay. The only thing is that both of my ovens and the griddle are having this issue. I had this trouble with one of the ovens before. It's just odd that all three of them would not work right after I changed the ignition module. Any other possibilities? It sounds like it is the safety switch. It just seems odd that all three are causing a problem. I'll probably just call the service people to fix this issue.
Does the igniter keep clicking after it is lit? If not, the ignition module has nothing to do with that issue unless you have a lockout device or he shut off the small valve for the gas supply to those valves. You may have got something wired wrong, or he may have shut a valve off inside the unit. Often there is a separate shutoff for the ovens and griddle, as it is different than the top burners.
It keeps clicking after the pilot is lit. But the tube never lights even through the pilot lights.
You may have gotten a couple wires mixed up, and that could be the issue on the spark module. It will click all the time if every wire is not in the correct spot.
Okay. I may try switching some of those around. Thanks for your help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.